Welcome to the professional guide on performing the insulation resistance, or IR, test, also known as the Megger test. This video is designed for students, teachers, and professional electricians. We begin with the fundamentals, exploring why insulation resistance is critical for maintaining safety and efficiency in electrical systems. What is an IR test? It measures the small, measurable leakage current in an insulator. Using a water analogy, it's like pressure testing a pipe for leaks. A high resistance reading indicates healthy equipment, while low resistance suggests potential hazards. Insulation failure can be dangerous. Common causes include extreme heat causing cracking, moisture creating conductive paths, corrosive vapors eating away protective layers, and vibration leading to pinhole leaks from mechanical stress. Next, we'll focus on the essential tool for this test, the Megger, which is your insulation resistance tester. Understanding this device is key to accurate testing. The tester includes a voltage selector for choosing the appropriate test voltage. The digital readout displays resistance in megohms or gigohms. A guard terminal is also used for precision, helping eliminate surface leakage currents. Before conducting any test, safety and preparation are paramount. We'll cover the essential steps to take before pressing the test button. Mandatory safety checks include lockout/tagout, or LOTO, ensuring the circuit is fully de-energized. Use a discharge path to release all stored energy. Never perform a test in explosive areas due to the spark hazard. The testing procedure involves 5 steps. Isolate sensitive electronics, connect the leads, inject the selected DC voltage for 60 seconds, measure the stabilized reading, and finally, discharge the cable. Follow these selection guidelines for testing. For 120 to 240 volt AC systems, use 500 volts DC with a minimum of 1.0 Megohm. Higher voltage equipment requires correspondingly higher test voltages and minimum resistance values. Interpreting your results. A reading over 50 Megohms is considered a pass or healthy. 2 to 50 Megohms is fair, requiring monitoring. Anything less than 1 Megohm is critical and requires immediate repair. Remember, 0.0 Megohms indicates a dead short to ground.